Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email us Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Today we are discussing a lovely 22-piece white gold limited edition from Van Cleef Arpels. Van Cleef is probably the Richemont brand watchmaker that is the most difficult to characterize. Known primarily for gems and jewelry, it tends to focus on watches that embody craft arts and aesthetics while using movements and engineering from elsewhere in the Richemont group or some of the finest contractors in the business outside of the group. But Van Cleef always has a jeweler's eye for detail and a focus on craft arts as its foremost value, and that's manifest in the watch you see right here. So the extraordinary dials include craft arts brought into a large enough case to act as a vitrine, incorporating multiple different skills in a single dial. This one includes a combination of engraving, mother-of-pearl inlays, and enameling. But let's talk about the basics first. 42 millimeters in diameter, 10.7 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip, 49.1 millimeters with a 21 millimeter spacing between the lugs. You can tell already from those dimensions that this is not a ladies' watch. While Van Cleef is often associated with women's jewelry, women's watches, that's not true at all. Men can appreciate the finer things in life. We often do. And in terms of aesthetics, dexterity, experience, eye-hand coordination, and arts passed on through generations, this watch embodies the best of the watch industry and the best of Van Cleef in a size that a man can appreciate. Now you can see it is low enough to fit underneath the cuff. And on my 16 centimeter circumference wrist, honestly, I'm being pushed to the limit here. So to wear this, your wrist needs to be my size or larger. Taking a look at the strap, it is a luxurious piece. We have rectangular scale alligator leather, gloss black, a little bit of bolstering. You can see a folded edge, a monotone stitch. It's lined with calfskin, no crimping, no gouging, and you can see this is a brand new Van Cleef strap that has never been worn. We have a folding clasp, Van Cleef branded with twin trigger release. Note the fascinating disparity between the rhodium plated clasp, which was clearly designed to look as white as platinum. By the way, you can see how the trigger mechanism works there. And then we go to the case, and you can see that the case is more clearly a gray gold alloy. So that's just, it's fascinating how there is a shade difference between them. Taking a quick look, you can see the case is simple but strong. One feature I like in particular is that the underside of the lugs have been polished. The reverse demonstrates the unusual edition number of 22 and that this is number 12 of the lot. Then the dial is where the action is. Note the super shallow plane of the bezel here, and also note that this is a monoblock case. Look very carefully and you can see the artful design of the case excluding a seam between the bezel and the case, so everything loads through the back, the dial and the movement, and there's no actual break or seam up here that makes everything look incredibly sleek and integrated. There's a mother of pearl inlay inside a distinctively knurled crown, and then we get to the dial. The lowest plane of the dial features mother-of-pearl inlay in several different colors. So you can see white, you can see blue, and different gradients of blue. You can also see all of the elements that have been engraved. All of these things have been individually equipped with a champlavé treatment, which involves scooping out the elements of white gold. And then, once you've scooped out the little wells, you fill them with vitreous enamel to create the colors. And so you can see how some of these blend colors, yellows and greens, or blues and grays, and it's an incredibly delicate process, as at any time the mother of pearl can crack, or the enamel, while it's being fired, can fracture or even explode. So to be able to get something of this complexity executed from start to finish, you require not just an exceptional amount of skill, but an exceptional amount of time, because slow going is the rule. The hands are as minimal as possible, as you don't want to obscure the view, and you can see that they're baton style, half frosted to better contrast against the style base. So we have engraved gold, grand faux enamel, and mother of pearl inlays. As I mentioned, Van Cleef is not in and of itself a manufacturer, but by reaching out to other Richemont brands, it usually chooses high horology movements. And so here we have a Piaget 800P automatic with a 75 to 85 hour power reserve, generally considered to be the upper end when used only with two hands. You're probably going to get about 85 hours of power reserve out of this movement. It's 25 jewels, twin mainspring barrels. It has a full barrel bridge that gives it surprising durability. 3 hertz, and then all of this is 30 meters water resistant. Again, automatic winding, you can expect about an 85-hour power reserve. This is a watch that has it all. If you've got a love for the finer things in life, if you commission portraiture, if you pay extra for the good cigars, not the merely okay cigars, if you up the ante for the great cigars and whiskey, this is a watch for you. Reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.